Did you know that nearly 60% of Americans are just one paycheck away from financial hardship? The sudden loss of a job can feel like an avalanche, but with the right budgeting strategies, you can weather the storm and come out stronger. Welcome back to Factful Finance, the channel where we help you take control of your financial future no matter the challenge. Today, we're diving into a practical guide on budgeting during a job loss, a skill that's as important as ever in today's uncertain world. Before we dive in, a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. While we discuss helpful tools and strategies, it's always a good idea to consult a financial professional for personalized guidance. Now, let's break down how to maintain financial stability during a job loss. Step 1. Assess your financial situation. When the news hits, take a deep breath. It's time to take a clear-eyed look at your current finances. This includes your savings, emergency fund, and any severance pay or unemployment benefits you might be eligible for. Emma, a recent viewer, shared how she was able to calculate her monthly expenses and discovered that by cutting back on non-essential spending, she could make her savings last much longer than expected. This is your reality check. How long can your resources stretch? Calculate this, and it'll give you a clearer picture of the path ahead. Step 2. Trim your expenses. This might seem obvious, but it's crucial to take control over every dollar. Start by categorizing your expenses into needs and wants. Prioritize rent, utilities, and health insurance. Everything else can wait. For example, Noah, a longtime subscriber, managed to save $500 each month by pausing his gym membership and canceling a few streaming services. Small sacrifices can add up and give you the breathing room you need to avoid going into debt. Step 3. Create a revised budget. With your new financial situation in mind, it's time to build a fresh budget. The 50-30-20 rule is a great framework. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt repayment. But with job loss, you'll likely need to focus more on essentials and stretch that emergency fund further. For instance, let's say Liam, a contractor, lost his job in construction. He reworked his budget to put 70% of his income into covering essential expenses, while using the remaining 30% for job hunting activities like networking and training. Step 4. Look for immediate income opportunities. The good news is there are always ways to generate income in a tough spot. You don't have to sit and wait for the job market to turn in your favor. Consider freelancing, temporary work, or even selling unused items around the house. Henry, a former manager in retail, used his downtime to start an online tutoring business and managed to make enough in just a few months to cover his bills while searching for a new full-time role. Step 5. Optimize your unemployment benefits. Make sure you're getting all the benefits you're entitled to. Many people underestimate how helpful unemployment insurance and other government programs can be. For example, Olivia, who lost her marketing job, was able to receive unemployment benefits that covered 50% of her previous income. It wasn't a full replacement, but it certainly eased her transition. If you qualify, explore every option available in your area, including housing and food assistance programs. The final step is stay positive and resilient. Job loss is undoubtedly one of the hardest financial challenges you'll face, but your ability to stay flexible and proactive will determine how quickly you bounce back. Remember, this setback is temporary, and with careful budgeting and persistence, you'll be in a better position than before. What's your biggest budgeting tip when navigating job loss? Share it with us in the comments. Let's learn together. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more content designed to help you achieve financial stability, no matter the hurdles you face. And if you liked what we shared today, why not click the bell so you get notified the next time we post a video? Trust me, you'll want to be the first to know. Thanks so much for tuning in to Factful Finance. We hope the tips we shared today will help you build a stronger, more resilient financial future. If you're looking to take your financial knowledge even further, check out the video on your screen next. Trust us, it could make all the difference in your financial journey.